Wow. Wow. Alright, in today's video we are going to unbox the Pioneer DJ XDJ-XZ-N. Now N is the new version, this is the limited edition gold XDJ-XZ-N. That's right, let's unbox this together. Let's go. What is good, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So as you can see, I have this massive box in front of me from Pioneer DJ. This is the XDJ-XZ-N, the limited edition gold XDJ-XZ. And if you watch my videos already, you very well know that I buy most of my musical gear from Soundglitz. So even this is purchased from Soundglitz. I'll leave a link of this down in the description box. Check that out. I'll let you know about the price and all that at the end of this video. So stick around till the end as well. Now let's quickly unbox this and see what's in the box and how this product looks in gold. Let's unbox. Cutting the sides first. Perfect. Alright, now as you can see, there is a box inside of this box. So just let's quickly get rid of this box on the top and then let's open the box which is inside. Let's do that now. Alright, there you have it, guys. This is the XDJ-XZ box. One of the important features, one of the main things about this all-in-one DJ controller is that it's compatible with Rekordbox and Serato DJ Pro. You get both these license keys inside of this box. So let's unbox this other box now. Let's do this. Alright, so this is the unit in front of me. This is what was in the box. The unit itself, one power cord, and of course the manual, the Rekordbox, and the Serato DJ license key. And then we have one USB cable. Now this is a regular USB A to USB B cable. Okay, I'm going to keep these aside for now. Now let's quickly take this tape off and see how this looks in gold. I'm going to do this very carefully. Check that out, guys. Wow. 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 Okay, I'm not exaggerating. This looks beautiful. Okay, this is also my first time looking at this product, so I can clearly say this looks something very different. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm not going to lie. This looks very good. Seriously, this looks amazing. I'm not really a fan of the gold color, but this thing looks really good to me. Wow. Check that out, guys. I'm still trying to appreciate what I've just seen. Amazing. Looks amazing to me, guys. Now before I plug this in, let me show you the input and outputs on this controller or all-in-one DJ system. Okay, this thing is heavy, it's not that light. Now on the extreme left, you can see that this is the power socket. Okay, this is where you can connect mic 1 and mic 2, and this is your aux input and also aux output if you connect it to the Rekordbox DJ software. And this is channel 3 and channel 4 inputs, both phono and line. And then you have a send port. Now this is an unbalanced send port, and next to that is the master output 2 and master output 1. This is the RCA, this is the master, the regular XLR club standard professional output, and then next to that is also the booth out. Now this is obviously a stereo booth out, again phono jacks. Then you have obviously the USB port which will connect your cable with the laptop and the Rekordbox, and on the extreme right, hiding the serial number of course, is the link port. Now this link port is one is an extension. This and this is to connect your channel 3 and channel 4. Basically, you can connect 2 more players and you can connect them via Pro DJ link so that you can use one USB across the platform. And then extension is so that you can connect this system to Rekordbox as well. There you have it. All right. This is all the inputs and outputs at the back. Now let's connect this and see how it powers on for the first time. Alright, now I've connected this to the wall and I'm going to turn it on for the very first time. So this is the moment. Let's do it. 1, 2, and 3. Wow. Check that out, guys. An all-in-one system with screens on the jog dials, just like the XDJ-3000. Loading Rekordbox on this equipment. Wow, check that out, guys. Loading. And there you have it. Now let's talk about what you have on top of it. On the top left corner is where you have the mic control. This is the on-off switch for the mics here. And of course you have the level input for it. And the best part is that you also have EQ control on the mic. Not just 2 EQ, you have 3 band EQ, low, mid and high, low, mid and high. And obviously you can also press this button if you want to talk over. That's a kind of feature which a lot of DJs use. And then obviously mic input too. So there are 2 inputs, so you can use 2 mics at the same time. You also have this feedback reducer option, which is basically if you turn this on after your mic is on, any kind of feedback can be reduced. You can obviously choose between light and heavy, depending on how heavy or light your feedback has to be reduced. Now that's a very good feature because feedback is a real issue. That's a good feature. I like that feature. On the top right corner, however, we have the master level indicator here, and another amazing feature which I really like, which is obviously on one of their high-end mixers, which is the V10. You have 3-band EQ on the master output as well. That's right. If the sub is too low or too high, you can actually EQ your master output here as well. You have low band, mid and high band EQ here as well. Obviously you can also cue it and monitor your input. And next to that is the booth level monitor. This is where you connect your booth monitor, and then this is the level for that. And on the extreme top right corner you have 2 USB ports, USB 1 and USB 2, and the USB 2 can also function as a return record. So in case you connect another USB here, you can also record the master output just by pressing this button. And that's another important feature. Obviously this is track mark. This is how you can mark your track in case you want to leave some indications about mixing. You can also mark your track over here. Obviously USB stop buttons, and now coming in the center at the top is this beautiful screen which has a Rekordbox link, USB 1, USB 2 connected here. And also this is basically how the Nexus 2 player looks on the top. I think that's all I can say about it. If you're playing on this equipment, it'll feel more or less just like you using the Nexus 2 equipment, which you can see here. That is the Nexus 2 mixer, and that is the Nexus 2 players. That is on the right. And if I can compare, even the size of the jogs is exactly the same. Alright, and even the mixer section is very similar to the DJ M900 Nexus 2 with the beat effects and the sound color effects, and obviously all of these amazing beat effects here. I think there are 16 of them. This is the crossfader. Unfortunately you don't get the magwell fader, but then this is still quite nice. It's more than enough for basic scratching. If you're not a professional scratch DJ, you will not really need the magwell fader. You can still scratch using this fader. Now let's talk about the player section here. This is, as I said earlier, it's a mix between, you know, the Nexus 2 player, and with these pads in the front, this is how you can say that this is a controller, because none of their standalone equipments or players have this. Even the XDJ-3000 has the hotkeys, smaller buttons here on the top. Now this is something which I personally also appreciate. This is good because I've also used the DJing-400. If you can see, that's the one DJing-400. It's a similar layout, but then in the format of a Nexus 2 player. Play, pause here, cue here, track search here, search in between the track, shift button to use all the other functions, direction, reverse, 4-beat loop just like the Nexus 2, slip function just like the Nexus 2, in and out loop buttons, the standard Pioneer DJ equipment stuff. reloop, exit, Q loop, basically just how your Nexus 2s are. But one of the best things I like about this is that you also have a jog adjust knob here at the top. This is something which I like. I personally like to use it in light all the time, and that's how I like it. Obviously you also have the vinyl mode adjust, and then you can also adjust the speed of your vinyl, how quickly and how smoothly you want to drop or stop the track, and all of that can be adjusted. Vinyl speed adjustment, tempo range, this is standard Nexus 2 stuff. Another good feature about this jog dial is the screen in the middle, where you can have a lot of information displayed at the same time along with the screen. This is a nice little feature. On the right, it's the same story. However, in the center, this is your 4 channel mixer. But unfortunately, and that is a feature which I don't really like on this controller, and that is that you can only use 2 channels and you cannot assign channel 4 and channel 1 within this all-in-one system. So 3 and 4, if you can see, it's mentioned here, this is channel 3, 1, 2 and 4. 3 is how if you connect another club equipment, you can connect that to this. That is how you have the inputs at the back. Any additional players that you connect will be connected to 3 and 4. But when you're using just the all-in-one system, you can only use 1 and 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, that's basically it. I mean, if you have just this equipment, channel 3 and channel 4 is practically useless for you. Unless you take this to the club and use it to perform, then obviously it's a different story. And this is the channel input selection. If you connect it to the line, you can put it in line for channel 3 and channel 4 here. This is your channel input knob here. Here you also have the aux. There is an aux output outside and input. You can also use that and control that from here. This is how you can increase the gain or reduce the gain of the aux level that you connect. And then below that, this section looks exactly like the Nexus 2 mixer. Obviously this looks more or less just like the Nexus 2 mixer. This is where you can connect your headphones at the front and control your level and mix and master. You can also control your parameter of your sound color effects over here. That's basically it, and this is what it is. Obviously you also have the beat sync option for instant doubles. That is also available in this, just like the Nexus 2. So basically this is like a Nexus 2 player, Nexus 2 mixer, Nexus 2 player, but all in one package, and it costs lesser than one Nexus 2 player. That's right, and that is mainly because obviously it is an all-in-one and they priced it according to their market needs, and this doesn't have a CD player, so that's all it is. Now let's also talk about the pad mode here at the bottom. Here you can see that the first option is hot cue, and that's how you can set your hot cues. These pads feel really nice. They're big in size and they're quite nice. They're also backlit, which is an amazing thing, and it's RGB backlit. It's not just one color. You can use multiple colors here depending on how you have your settings, and then if you press shift you can also get rid of those hot cues just like that. Then you have the beat loop in yellow. This is your quick loop function. Then you have the slip loop. This is how you can have different slip loops activated and deactivated whenever you want. Then you have the last option is beat jump. You can jump between the beats. You can move forward, backward according to how you set up your equipment. And then these are your tempo adjust faders, and then this is your tempo reset button, just like your Nexus 2 players. And that is the XDJ-XZ for you, an all-in-one system, and you don't need a laptop to play out of this controller. You can just use your USB and play and perform on this equipment. Obviously you can also connect your laptop and use it with Rekordbox, and that is also available. You can also use it like a controller, but the best thing is this is an all-in-one, so you don't need a laptop to use this. So there you have it. That was a quick unboxing and the first look of the XDJ-XZ-N, the gold edition XDJ-XZ, and this I obviously got it from Soundglitz, and the MRP on this product is 1,99,999 rupees, which is 2 lakh rupees, but I got this at a very good price of 1,89,000 rupees. That's almost 11,000 rupees less than its MRP, and you can get the same from Soundglitz. That's right. I'll leave the link down in the description if you're interested to pick this up. There's free shipping all across the country, in India specifically, and you can pick it up and get it at that price. I'll also leave their phone number down in the description. You can give them a call, ask more information about this product if you are interested to pick this up. just go ahead and pick it up from Soundglitz. So there you have it. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Also, while you're at it, it'll be nice if you can just click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.